Are you still using the same old navigation buttons? Here's how you can switch to smoother swipe gestures and free up some screen space as well. Open your settings and then scroll down to display. Once inside display, scroll down to navigation bar. Tap on it, and once you're inside navigation bar, you can see that the buttons are selected by default. You can change them to swipe gestures. Trust me, these are way faster than these buttons and it would clear up some screen space as well. Tap on it, and now you can see it would switch to gestures. There's one bonus setting as well. Go into more options and then increase the sensitivity a bit. What this would do is it would help you open and close apps way more easier, because if you have a case on, then you're going to find it difficult using the gestures. See, here's how. Even if I have a case on and it has borders, I can easily open and close apps. You can see all the recent apps swipe from the bottom, and then you can also press and hold it to access Gemini Live. If you're into meaningful tech content, do follow me for such tips and tricks.